computer. Let's Google some stuff about if you were gay. 5 more seconds later, I clicked on the funky link. Peculiarity to my curiosity. It's talking about it. One words and one lady. I think I put my fingers on it cause I checked the list inside. Goodness on every line. No doubt it's really paradise. Funky Shashna baby, can you realize? Here you can get what you want. Funky Shashna baby, can you realize? You'll give me what I need. During all these years I tried to introduce the fun of friendship. But as everybody knows,
Good job.
We need more miso.
I know you see that.
You're doing amazing, Zen. What would you like to drink? Ice. Ice? Yeah, more ginger ale.
Well, he's gonna be sleeping anyway.
Yeah.
It's not like he needs to get out in the middle of the night. That's probably just for I wear my sunglasses at night so I can. Look at that energy!
That's some good miso soup right there. Miso
What did they
run.
spike in that miso soup?
Miso run long time. Got it, yeah. Dance cow.
She's got her Jackson attire on too.
All right.
All right, Jen, go
Alright, you
get
ready?
it.
Here we go!
Let's go.
Woo!
Keep it going.
She's on fire!
That's a perfect.
Yeah, this isn't cold for you guys because in the desert where you live, it gets colder than this at night.
This is actually awesome weather.
Yeah, compared to where I live. I live in Fresno, so we not quite as hot as Vegas, but we get triple digits.
Right?
So this is a nice break from that.
You gotta toss and turn and feel alright, and feel alright. I said, yeah,
Get it, man. Get it, buddy. Shout out for yourself. I'm good.
shaking, moaning, moaning. Shotgun dead and I'll come on morning. Don't stop cooking, I feel alright now. Hey, don't stop now.
Time starting to slow down.